Why do men and women experience snoring differently? Snoring differences between men and women stem from both physiological and hormonal disparities. Men often possess narrower airways and more throat tissue, making airway obstruction and vibrations, which cause snoring, more common. Women's airways are generally wider, but hormonal fluctuations during pregnancy and menopause can lead to increased snoring. Hormonal changes affect muscle tone, potentially causing airway collapse during sleep. Additionally, menopause-related weight gain can exacerbate snoring. Genetic factors and lifestyle also contribute. Understanding these complexities helps tailor effective snoring interventions and underscores the need for gender-specific approaches to address this common issue. If you want to eliminate snoring problems during sleep, grab out anti-snoring pillow today at snoreslayer.com.